Michigan. Put your hands together for Bradley Allen and Brutus. And racing out of Newton, Michigan, Mr. Jeremy Hossman and Reckless Driving. He hails from North Jackson, Ohio. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Corey Rudell, an Avenger! He races out of the cold waters off the coast of Maine. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Greg Wenchenbach in the Monster Lobster Station! And your 2013 Monster Truck Throwdown Points champion out of Miami of Oklahoma, Mr. Devin Jones and Barbarian. Michigan, put your hands together for the 2014 Monster Truck Throwdown champion out of Indianapolis, Indiana, Jamie Garner in Overboard. Ladies and gentlemen, myself and of course all of the entire staff here at the Monster Truck Throwdown understand that there have been unbelievable sacrifices during the history of our republic, and right now we would like to take a moment to step back and say thank you to some heroes. Are you guys with me? If you are a member of any of our armed forces, please rise now so that we can say thank you for your service to this great republic. Stand now. And ladies and gentlemen, the Monster Truck Throwdown family would also like to thank all of our veterans. Veterans, you've laid the foundation for the greatest fighting force in the history of the world. We're going to thank our veterans right now. Veterans, please rise so we can thank you for your service to this republic. And ladies and gentlemen, each one of those heroes that stood before you has a family back home. They've got kids, moms, dads, brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, and their sacrifice is very great too. They keep the home fires burning while Liberty goes out and defends. Okay, so right now we want to thank all of the family members. We're not going to forget about you guys. If you've got an aunt, an uncle, a mom, a dad, a brother, a sister, a cousin that is fighting or has fought for this great republic, please rise now so we can thank you for your service to this country. We also want to thank all of our first responders, EMTs, firefighters, and we want to make sure that we thank our police officers. God bless you guys. You hold together civilization. You've had a rough go of it lately, but we love our deputy sheriffs and our police officers. Give them a big round of applause. entire Monster Truck Throwdown family and my family back home in Minnesota. May God watch over each and every one of you. May He protect you and keep you safe. And may He bring you home to the greatest country in the history of the world, the United States of America. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you will please rise. Remove your hats. Face the stars and stripes. We will play the national anthem.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming. And the rockets red light, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Caught you crying. Caught you. But you
Monster Truck Throwdown fans, it is now time to start the show. We are going to ask each and every one of you to help us out with the kickoff of the throwdown. Are you guys ready? Here's what we're going to do. I will count backwards from 10 with you guys. When we get to 1, I will utter the most famous words in all of motorsports. Are you guys ready? Here